What if I told you a simple 1 penny coin, sitting quietly in your pocket, could actually be worth far more than just 1 cent? Sounds crazy, right? But today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of the 1998 Elizabeth II D.G. Reg 1 penny coin, a coin that millions of people have seen, but very few truly understand. Some collectors are hunting for it, some are selling it, and some don't even realize they might already have one. So, is this coin actually valuable? Or is it just another ordinary piece of copper? Let's uncover the truth, step by step. The coin we are talking about today is officially known as the 1998 1 penny coin, issued in the United Kingdom. It features Elizabeth II, one of the most iconic monarchs in modern history. Now, the inscription you'll see on the coin reads, Elizabeth II D.G. Reg FD. Let's break that down. Elizabeth II the Queen. D.G. Dei Gratia, by the grace of God. Reg Regina, Queen. FD Defender of the Faith. This Latin inscription has been used on British coins for generations, giving the coin a royal and historical identity. Let's talk about what this coin actually looks like. Air obverse, front side. The front side shows a detailed portrait of Elizabeth II. This specific design was created by Ian Rank Broadley, and it was introduced in 1998, making this coin part of a newer generation of British currency. The portrait shows a more mature and realistic version of the Queen, compared to earlier designs. On the back, you'll find the iconic image of Britannia. She is seated with a trident, symbol of strength and sea power, a shield for protection, a helmet symbolizing defense. This design represents the strength and heritage of Britain. Specifications: metal, bronze, weight, 3.56 grams, diameter, 20.32 millimeters, shape, round. It might look simple, but every detail has meaning. Now comes the big question. Is the 1998 penny actually worth money? The honest answer is, most of them are only worth face value, just 1 penny. But, and this is important, certain versions of this coin can be worth much more depending on 1. Condition, grade. Circulated coins very low value. Uncirculated coins higher value. Proof coins much higher value. A coin in perfect condition can sell for several pounds. 2. Rare errors. Some coins have minting errors, such as double strikes, misprints, off-center designs. These rare mistakes can make a coin extremely valuable. Collectors love errors. 3. Collector demand. Coins from certain years become popular among collectors. And 1998 is interesting, because it marks the transition to a new portrait design. Here's where things get exciting. Some collectors claim that rare versions of this coin have sold for £5, £10, even £50 plus in exceptional cases. But don't get too excited yet. These prices usually apply to perfect condition coins, special mint sets, error coins. Still, imagine finding one in your old coin jar. So why are collectors even interested in this coin? 1. Historical significance. 1998 was the year a new portrait of the Queen was introduced. That makes this coin part of a historical transition. 2. Artistic design. The detailed work by Ian Rank Broadley is highly respected in the numismatic world. 3. Accessibility. Unlike rare gold coins, this penny is easy to find, making it a great starting point for beginners. Yes, even a penny can be faked. Here's how to check. A real coin. Clear, sharp design. Correct weight. Proper color, bronze tone. A fake coin. Blurry details. Wrong size or weight. Strange color. Always compare with a known genuine coin if possible. You might find this coin in old piggy banks, coin collections, antique shops, online marketplaces. Millions were produced, so it's not impossible to find. Absolutely yes. Even if it's not worth much today, coins like this can increase in value over time, become collectibles, hold historical significance. Think of it as a tiny piece of history. So, what did we learn today? The 1998 Elizabeth II D.G Reg 1 penny coin may look ordinary, but behind that small piece of metal lies royal history, artistic craftsmanship, potential hidden value. And who knows, the next time you check your coins, you might just discover something special. If you enjoyed this video, a like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you have this coin? Because your next coin could be your next treasure.